Your sequencer outputs in hours, your proteomics takes a week. The bottleneck isn't your science, it's your cluster. MaxQuant grinds for days on a single node. FragPipe waits for a free slot. Your wet lab is shipping samples faster than Bioinformatics can keep up, and every idle hour is still on your AWS bill. Clusterra is a managed Slurm cluster, running in your own AWS account. MaxQuant, Diane, FragPipe pre-installed. Your team just runs jobs. From an empty AWS account to a running cluster in minutes. No DevOps required. Submit a batch, it just runs. Events and logs stream live. Outputs land in your bucket. And when you need to explore the data, a Jupyter notebook is one click away. Same cluster, same containers, no local setup. Pilot with us, bring one real cohort, give us 30 days. We stand up the cluster, configure your tools, and ship results by week 1. Clusterra, your proteomics at cluster speed. Talk to us at clusterra.cloud.